Hello guys, let me hope you're okay. I'm Edrisa and today I'm going to talk about some basics in sofa and carpet cleaning. So basically in our environments, in our houses, in our homes, in our residentials, in our offices, we always face challenges of having dirty sofas that are stained with food, with waste materials, with chemicals, with different other factors. Now here comes in like a solution to that. We, the cleaning, the housekeeping, we have to solve that issue. So as a housekeeper, if maybe you were a manager, you were housekeeping supervisor, you were cleaner, these are some of the basics you have to follow to do your work in a systematic manner. One of it is you have to be having a sofa cleaning machine or vacuum. This is a specified vacuum which performs an activity which has a system that can pump a cleaning chemical from its water storage tank. Then that cleaning chemical or solution will go through into its cleaning pad, and it will push out the water onto the dirty surface of a carpet or chair. Then that system again has the capacity to pull out the water at the same time so as to dry the sofa, so that after 3 to 6 hours, someone can come and sit in that sofa or can use that carpet without any effect of feeling its coldness. So here are some of the basics we have to do. 1. Obtain that machine, that is sofa or carpet cleaning machine or vacuum. 2. You have to develop soft brush and a hard brush. The soft brush, first of all, it helps us to remove all the dust, all the litter within our sofas. For example, you may be having a family seat of around 6 seaters, 2 seaters, 1 seater. You have to remove the pillow, let me call it a pillow, then clean and remove all the dirt. If it is a carpet, it is also the same process. You can bring the usual vacuum, remove all the dust, remove all the gum, remove all the solids, or remove all the removable things you can remove by hand. Then secondly, after doing that, you arrange your machine, then obtain your brushes, the soft and hard brush. The soft brush, it helps us to remove the dust. The hard brush, it helps us to remove the dirty stains from the material, from the chair or carpet we are cleaning. Then after doing that, then we have to arrange, like we should have like a microfiber. After having the microfiber, you should also have like the work party. Basically you should be 2 members, because you may clean like 20 seats at one time. For example, you are cleaning restaurant seats, there are 20 plus to 100. If you go to a large family, you may find that it has like a 16-seater form of sofa. So one person you cannot do, because it involves in a lot of bending work and it's somehow tedious to do. So you need to have a work party of 2 to 4 members, 2 to 5 members, like that. Then after knowing all those basics, what you need, then you go on to the chemical you are going to use. Basically for us, we use AX carpet shampoo to clean also the sofas. and it does well for us. What we do, we follow the manufacturer's SDS or the safety data sheet. According to him, he tells us his chemical is acidic, it's shampoo, it burns. Then secondly, he tells us, so after telling us that it burns, so that brings in risk assessment, and we have to use Vezner rubber gloves. Then secondly, after knowing that, we need a water source. Then we mix his chemical with 6 parts of water, then to form a good sofa or carpet cleaning solution. Then after knowing that and forming a cleaning solution, then we go on to the technique of cleaning. So how do we clean? We start by, if we find that the sofa has been so dirty, kids have been playing on the sofa, or it has taken long without cleaning and it has got a lot of dirt. First of all, we put on our PPE nicely. Then we prepare our cleaning solution also nicely, and we wet, manually we wet the sofa. Then we can use either a soft brush, depending on the material. We can use the soft brush to scrub softly if it is like a weak sofa cover. If it is a feathery cover, we don't scrub, we just leave it, because after scrubbing a feathery material, a client will just tell us to buy a new one, yet we came to clean, to just maintain it. So it's not advisable if it is feathery, and if you view that the material you are going to clean is feathery, or it will have any damage to the material, it is advisable you talk to the client and you tell him this is the nature of the material we are going to clean, and it is having too much dust, it is having too much chewing gum, it is having this is our procedures. Once we do this and this and this, it will have this side effect onto your material or onto your item which you brought us to clean. So you explain. If he accepts you to do, you do. If he does not accept, then it's better you leave, to avoid compensating for an old material which may not bring in business. Because cleaning is a business, we have to view all that. Then if we identify that it is